10 Indian Dinner Recipes. Hi everyone. Welcome to the Cooking with Diet Guru. Today I'm going to be showing you 10 delicious and easy Indian dinner recipes. I'll be walking you through the steps and ingredients needed to make these mouth-watering dishes. First, I'll be showing you how to make chicken tikka masala. This classic dish will leave you wanting more. I'll be using boneless chicken, tomatoes, onions, garlic, and a mix of spices. Next, I'll demonstrate how to prepare a classic palak paneer. This dish is made with spinach and paneer, and is a great vegetarian option. Third, let's take a look at how to make butter chicken. This recipe is a popular dish that is easy to make and full of flavor. Fourth, we'll be making chana masala. This dish is made with chickpeas and a mix of flavorful spices. Fifth, let's learn how to make a delicious dal makhani. This dish is made with black lentils and red kidney beans, and is a great source of protein. Sixth, I'll be showing you how to make a classic aloo gobi. This vegetarian dish is made with potatoes, cauliflower, and spices. Seventh, let's take a look at how to make a flavorful biryani. This dish is made with rice, vegetables, and spices. Eighth, I'll be showing you how to make a creamy korma. This dish is made with a mix of vegetables, spices, and cream. Ninth, let's learn how to make a delicious paneer makhani. This dish is made with paneer, tomatoes, and spices. Finally, let's take a look at how to make a spicy vindaloo. This dish is made with potatoes and a mix of spices. That's it for today's recipes. I hope you enjoyed these 10 delicious Indian dinner recipes. Stay tuned for more cooking videos. Thanks for watching.